Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to create zoom in and aggressive shake effects to your edits in CapCut. So first, just prepare the clips, then click on the second clip and add 2 keyframes in the middle and at the end. Like this, then zoom in and move the clip like this on a second keyframe. So you can just zoom in to the way you like, and after that go to the video effect, click on the nightclub category and then select the longitudinal jitter effect. Okay, click on the check icon and trim the effect and put the effect in between the first and second clip like this. Now go to video effect again. Now select the flash bounce effect. Put it under the first effect like this. And lastly, go to the video effect again. Now select the twitch effect, but put it under the second and third clip like this. Now you are done, and this is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and click on the thanks button below. Thank you.